Okay, so yesterday, or no, like 3 days ago, I did something online for Influenster to test the Vicks humidifier, and literally the next day the package got delivered, but I had no idea that that's what it was because it literally came overnight. So I just went to the UPS store to pick it up. It's like 8 o'clock right now. They just closed, so I rushed there to go get it. And I had no idea what it was because I didn't know. Like I didn't remember ordering anything. And I was like, it can't be the humidifier because it came like overnight, and I didn't think that it would. But anyways, I am really excited, so I'm gonna open it. It came in like this huge box. Okay, so just bear with me. Okay. Okay, Sweet Dreams Cool Mist Humidifier. It says, congratulations, you've been chosen to receive this Vicks Sweet Dreams Cool Mist Humidifier. Create an enchanting and soothing bedtime environment this fall and winter with this ultra quiet and dream-inspiring cool mist humidifier. Doctors recommend running a humidifier to provide temporary relief from cough and congestion for better breathing and a more comfortable sleep. So this is really awesome because my daughter has literally every night been like coughing in the middle of the night all the time. She already had her tonsils and adenoids taken out, and that stopped the snoring, but it has not stopped the coughing. So I'm really hoping this will help. Okay, hold on. I'm sitting on the floor doing this. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, it's upside down. This is what it looks like. Okay. You guys have no idea how excited I am about this. I am so happy that Influencer is letting me test this. And hopefully my daughter loves it too. Right, looks like some instructions. Vapo pads, refill pads. I'm assuming you put this in there and somewhere in there. But anyways, this looks really cool because it looks like it has a projection screen on it. You can do Starry Night, Sea, or Safari. My daughter would love the Starry Night one, seriously. Or the undersea one, because she has fish in her room, so that would be really cool. Okie dokie. Alright, everybody. This is it. I thought it already smelled like something, but maybe not. Okay. I am so excited right now. Sorry, this is turning out to be a really long video. Sorry. Anyways, this is it. It looks like this is where you choose like what projection you want to. Starry Night, underwater, safari. Water in here. Looks like power setting. I am really excited. So, wish me luck. Hopefully my daughter will be sleeping a little bit better tonight and not coughing all night in the middle of the night and waking her up. So, I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you, Influencer and Vicks. So excited.